energy balance is this idea when the calories that we bring in from our food equals the energy that we burn through exercise or just through daily activities. Now you can think of calories as how we measure the energy in our food. So when we actually are consuming foods from carbohydrates, from protein and fat, our body is getting energy from that, and our body uses it and burns it, and the way we measure that is in terms of calories. Now for the most part, most athletes want to try to maintain that energy balance. So the food that you bring in, the energy that you bring in, should equal the energy that you're burning through your practices or competitions or just through your daily, everyday activities.
In females, it's especially important to make sure we get enough to eat. Females have been shown to not have enough energy intake on a daily basis. If we don't eat enough, then that means we get ill and we don't perform as well. So it's really important we make sure our energy balance is adequate so that we can perform like we want to in sports, we can do better in school, and we decrease our risk of being sick, and we can perform better all over.
Now, sometimes during the season, or even during the off season, sometimes you might want to try to put on lean muscle mass. In that point, what we want to do is we want to increase our energy from the foods that we eat, and that's going to cause what we call positive energy balance. Sometimes we might want to lose weight or try to lose a little bit of body fat. In that point, what we want to do is reduce the energy from our foods, and that's what's called negative energy balance. An easy way to think about energy balance is when the energy that we bring in from our food equals the energy that we burn through everyday activity. We can think of this as a scale. Now, if I were to increase the amount of energy that I bring in, I'm going to be in positive energy balance. But if I end up reducing the amount of energy that I bring in, now the scale shifts and now I'm in negative energy balance. Now, meals and snacks, we want to make a distinction between the two. A meal you can think of like your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They're a little bit bigger, the ones that we want to make look like my plate. Snacks are going to be what you eat in between to help maintain your energy balance, which could be things like trail mix, it could be a peanut butter jelly sandwich, or whatever you can pack in your backpack for the day. Your energy needs are determined by how old you are, whether or not you're a boy or a girl, how much muscle you have or how big you are, and also what your daily activity needs are. And so that means that those daily activity needs, that can shift your energy balance from day to day.